So actually Selenium, here if you want to see the architecture, so this is the architecture. So how this works means, if you see here, this is for Windows, Linux, Mac, any operating systems as per the required. So this is IE, Firefox, Safari. So this browser sits on top of Selenium core. So Selenium core is nothing but our JavaScript which we have already developed. And this is a Selenium core, and for Selenium core, this is with the help of remote control server. So this is the place where it will be accessing these browsers. So here we will be writing the code. So to the remote control, so this is a Eclipse or this sorry, this is the editors. So in this particular editors, we have written on this particular languages where it would be talking to the remote control server, and by the remote control server it was talking to the different kinds of browsers. So this is the way the architecture has been designed. Okay. Yes. So I wanted to stop. I want to stop here before going to the break. So yes. So we have 3 more minutes. You can ask me any doubts related to Selenium RC. Means I'm not at all talking about Selenium RC at all in these particular sessions. I'm just concentrating only on the WebDriver, because so that's our learning curve, and that's the latest one. Even though if you know about like how we need to convert the scripting, complete architecture itself, it's a different thing. See, for an example, so how if you wanted to see how it was different means, you just see here. I'm going back to Selenium HQ. In the Selenium HQ, go to the downloads. Here we will be getting the complete Java documentation. Okay, everything will be here. See how much huge. So this is a huge architecture. So it supports, I said right, almost all applications will be supporting with this. Any Android or any iOS, anything. If you wanted to support for mobile application, especially for Android, we have Seli Android. If you wanted to support it for Apple iOS, then we have Appium. So like it will be combination of Apple and Selenium. So that's where they jointed the both names, Apple from AAPP and Selenium last terminology is M. So it's Appium. So that's where they have mixed up. Every documentation and every classes, everything is here. But you need to know how you need to verify and how you need to check this one. So this is for Selenium WebDriver. And when it comes to Selenium RC, you see the architecture how it was. See, still it was with the ThoughtWorks itself. There is no much more advancement for this. And you see, only these are the things. Only these are the classes. And now you see this one. See. And these are the different packages. Okay. In these packages, these are your classes. If you click on all classes, see, these many classes are there. So that much huge is the Selenium WebDriver. So, and it was completely matured. So that is the reason it have taken over the market. So that's why this is on the top. That's why it had beaten up. So actually QTP is a superb. If you worked on the QTP, then you don't want to work on any other tools. So even at the framework level, there is nothing to say that it is not achievable. You can have that many workarounds in the QTP. But even that particular tool also defeated by the Selenium. That's why that much demand for this particular tool in the market. Okay. Yes, guys. So it's already 3:45. So we will back by 4 o'clock and we will start with the Selenium. Okay. Thank you.